Hello guys, welcome sa ating YouTube channel, The Apox. So tuturuan po kayo paano mag-load ng downloading picture sa Messenger. Watch until to end guys, so alamin natin. Ayun guys, downloading photo. So ang gagawin natin is punta kayo sa settings. Punta kayo sa application manager. Messenger. I-click natin storage. So i-click natin clear data and then delete na. So ayun guys, download na. Punta tayo sa Messenger. Hintayin natin guys. So ilagin natin yung account. Not now. Turn on. Okay, done. So tignan natin yung picture guys. I-click lang use data to view photo. Use data lang. Ayun guys, i-click natin ulit. Ayun, effective guys. So yun lang guys.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains.